The word for this video is gasping. As a verb, gasping means to draw in the breath suddenly, as if from a shock. For example, the audience gasped as the magician disappeared. As a verb, gasping means to breathe laboriously or convulsively. For example, we were all gasping when we reached the summit. As a verb, gasping means to speak in a breathless manner. For example, the old man gasped his last few words. As a verb, gasping means to pant with eagerness, to show vehement desire. For example, I'm gasping for a cup of tea. As a noun, gasping means the act by which one gasps. As an adjective, gasping means very thirsty. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.